How to turn off dark mode on City Pool. Are you guys facing issue to turn off dark mode on City Pool? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off dark mode on City Pool, first of all open the City Pool app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on profile icon, you can see multiple options available at this section. We are looking to turn off dark mode, right? Just simply tap on dark mode and toggle the option. Once you toggle it on, dark mode will be instantly turned off on City Pool. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to turn off dark mode on City Pool application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.